Urban green spaces, such as parks, gardens, and green rooftops, play a crucial role in improving the quality of life in cities. These spaces help reduce air pollution, regulate temperatures, and promote biodiversity. In addition to environmental benefits, they support mental and physical health by offering areas for relaxation and exercise. Research shows that people living near green spaces tend to report lower stress levels and higher life satisfaction. Moreover, such areas can also increase social interaction and even boost local economies by attracting tourism and increasing property values. As cities grow denser, maintaining and expanding urban greenery becomes increasingly important for sustainable development.
The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century marked a turning point in human history. Before this invention, books were copied by hand, which was time-consuming and expensive. Gutenberg's press introduced movable type, allowing books to be produced much faster and in larger quantities. As a result, knowledge and ideas spread more rapidly across Europe. Literacy rates increased, and people gained access to a wider range of subjects, including science, politics, and religion. This innovation laid the foundation for the Renaissance, the Reformation, and even the Scientific Revolution. The printing press is often considered one of the most significant inventions of the last millennium due to its profound impact on society and education. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns, primarily caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels. This process increases greenhouse gas emissions, leading to global warming. The effects are widespread: melting glaciers, rising sea levels, more frequent extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts, and disrupted ecosystems. Many animal species are losing their habitats, and crop yields are being affected. Governments and scientists around the world are working on solutions, including renewable energy, reforestation, and stricter environmental policies. Addressing climate change is critical for the future of the planet and all living beings.
Sleep plays a vital role in the process of learning and memory. When we sleep, our brains process and store information gathered throughout the day. Studies show that people who get enough sleep perform better on memory tasks and have improved problem-solving skills. REM sleep, in particular, is essential for consolidating long-term memories and regulating emotions. Lack of sleep can lead to difficulty concentrating, reduced academic performance, and increased stress. That's why students are encouraged to maintain healthy sleep habits, especially during exam periods, as it helps both mental and physical functioning. The Internet began as a research project in the 1960s, originally designed by the U.S. military to connect computers and share information securely. Over time, it evolved into a global network used by billions of people. The launch of the World Wide Web in the 1990s made the Internet accessible to the public, leading to a revolution in communication, business, education, and entertainment. Today, the Internet is essential in daily life, allowing instant messaging, online shopping, video streaming, and cloud computing. It continues to grow and shape modern society, influencing how we learn, work, and interact.